Rings, easy version, you're just holding the rings while your feet are still on the ground and just holding a nice position here. So you've got the stretch position, like that, and then the active position. So you can work the rings with the underhand grip like that, supinated grip, parallel grip, or the overhand grip like that, pronated grip. So whichever you feel best in. It's good to work on all of them, but if you feel better in one, then you can progress it with that. I like this position because I'm getting a nice stretch as well as strengthening. From there you can do the 15 seconds, hold each side to bring the knees up. Then from there you might want to use the tuck position and really pull, but just keep the toes down, and then from there lift off. Once you got that, you're trying to open out straight. I find that a lot harder to lift up into that isometric than it is to lower down. As you lower down, you can cheat a bit by squeezing with your lats as you come down into it and you drive your shoulders forward. It's much harder to pull up into that isometric, so I like working on that to get that feeling. It's pretty heavy. Then the Manna, it's just an isometric hold. Easier one would be just working on without even using a wall, or here I'm using the pole, just working on getting those hips up, chest up, and leaning back, prepping those wrists. So it is pretty heavy on the wrist that way. From there you can come in a bit closer and bring the feet up. You've got the flexibility to hold that, and you just try and get that chest up. After that you walk it up higher to really try and hold that up. So using that, as much of that 30 seconds as you can for the isometric hold. The front split, you can just use those rings to spot you to get that isometric hold. So just lowering down, keeping the tension, 15 seconds. Actually, sorry, 30, go 30 each side, much better. That way you use the full 2-minute round, 30 seconds aside. But you could do 15 seconds aside and then just kind of move your wrists out to counterbalance that pressure of the Manna coming back, and then also your forearms, give them a bit of a massage after that isometric back lever, which is quite hard through there. So that way you're prepped for the next round. So whichever you prefer, if you find you're still building that strength in the front split, going that full 30 each leg is a bit too much, and you can use the time a bit more effectively on that 2-minute round. I always use the 4 rounds. I find it's good for me. I find it's good in the class format. It allows us to get through, quite effectively in the class time to get that workout done. But obviously if you've got the time, do 5 rounds, do 6, do a couple more warm-up ones, do a few more working sets so that way you can progress faster. It's really up to you, but I just like to keep it efficient and effective and consistent, so that way I can keep doing it and clients can keep doing it, but it's your workout. Make it work for you.